This is not financial advice, not legal advice, for entertainment, educational purposes only, and anything I say is my opinion. Please don't make any financial decision based on anything I say in these videos. That being said, hit the like button, subscribe button, all that YouTube algorithm stuff so you get the videos I put them out. See what I'm thinking, see me analyzing that data. But like I tell you every day, the data they release us is false. It meant to give us a false narrative of the market so we can make bad trading decisions. Listen, GME was a little green yesterday, and a lot of people were optimistic about it. But like I tell you guys every day, and I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell GME. I'm just telling you that a little up and down movement means absolutely nothing, because they have the stock in a chokehold. And the reason they have it in a chokehold is because we have no regulatory agencies that enforce the rules of the market. These guys can continue just creating counterfeit GME shares to short into the market. They can take the same shares and trade them over and over. Not trade them, but lend them over and over and over again to manipulate the price. The only reason, in my opinion, that GME is not trading like AMC is because of who they have as the CEO. I mean, that's really the bottom line, in my opinion. Anyway, here's the numbers. GME volume yesterday, 4,260,287. You know those numbers mean absolutely nothing because we have no idea what's going on in the dog pools. They're still reporting the DRS at 49.04% of the shares of DRS. I believe the numbers are a whole lot higher. Calls in the money, 2,507. At $20, additional 45,788. Like I tell you guys every day, those call options mean absolutely nothing because they don't have to hedge. And I'm not telling you to buy, hold, or sell any GME calls. I'm just telling you that if the bad actors can create an infinite amount of counterfeit GME shares to short into the market, they never have to hedge their position. So calls in the money, calls not in the money means absolutely nothing whatsoever. Okay? 62.2% of the volume was shorted shares. So like 2,500,000 shares were shorted yesterday. Where are these shares coming from? You know where. Market makers and the brokers lending the same shares over and over and over again. GameStop is not diluting any shares. They're not putting any more real shares into the market. So all these shares that we're seeing, they're definitely, in my opinion, counterfeit shares or FTDs, same shares lent over and over and over and over again. Just my opinion. Anyway, the days to cover went up to 10.09, which is kind of good, but at least it's following the rules of the market. When you add more short positions, the days to cover should go up. So the days to cover is going up, but 62.8% of GME shares were traded in the dog pool. If they had nothing to hide, if they weren't up to criminality, why are they hiding out in the dog pools? Why are majority of the shares being traded in the dog pool? You know why. So they could hold on to the buy orders and push the sell orders into the lit exchanges to push the price down. Okay? And they're in the dog pools buying and selling between each other at lower prices to manipulate the stock. Everybody knows what they're doing. It's obvious as hell. But United States doesn't have any regulatory agencies that enforce the rules of the market. So here we are. Anyway, please leave some comments. Tell me what you think. Why do you think a majority of GME shares are traded in the dog pool every day? Because they like the dog pool, or because that's where they can do their criminality? Anyway, have a great day. God bless. I appreciate y'all on this journey with me.